Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use tags on Instagram, how you can tag friends, personal, business accounts, anything. Let's jump into Instagram. In this example guys, we are going to create a brand new post. Let's click on the lower center of the screen and let's hit the plus sign. Let's pick a content where we're gonna have someone tagged on. This particular example, I'm going to use this Ferrari. Very nice picture. Let's make it more vintage like this. Good. Now guys, very important, you want to make sure that everything is included in the post. Okay, I want you to include the title, description. Hashtags are no longer in my opinion necessary. I've been looking and following the trends. Even the sponsored posts on Instagram, please pay attention, don't have hashtags anymore. I don't know, is it because they know something about the updates from the algorithm from Instagram and Meta, or there is other reason for it. But be very mindful with the hashtags. We don't want to go overboard. So now, let's go back to tags. After finishing with metadata over here, the first option that you have over here is tag people, okay? In our example, we are going to get things even more easier. Let's click on the car itself. And let's look for Ferrari. Boom. We just found Ferrari tag. We use Ferrari tag. And you can place the tag wherever you liked, okay? You can hide the tag somewhere. You see, you can make it bigger, right? But you cannot make it like very, very small. You cannot hide the tag. That's the downside. I can put it over here, right, where the actual logo is. Then in our case, let's tag someone else so I can actually show you how the tags will appear. In this example, let's click again and let's try to tag Lamborghini, right? For the sake of this example. So currently we have two tags over here, right? We can move one at the back, one at the front. Underneath the actual picture, you will have a list with all the tags, each and every account that is currently tagged on the post. Let's say you made a mistake. We tag Lamborghini, but the car is Ferrari, right? So how are we gonna remove the Lamborghini tag? All we gotta do is to come over here on the list and click on the X sign next to the actual tag, and boom, the tag just disappeared. When you're done, you click done and you share the content, guys. This is how simple it is to use tags on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.